Welcome back to my kitchen. It is Meal Planning Monday, and I've been planning a little bit, and well, actually I planned a lot and already went to the grocery store. So, this week, this always throws people. It's week 46. I am just keeping track of each week that I do a meal plan and I do a video. So this is week 46. I've done 46 videos of Meal Planning Monday. So this week, you know, we are at a summer volunteer job at a museum and visitor center in Eagle Nest Eagle Nest, New Mexico. So I am having to get really creative because I work 3 days a week. And so when I get off work, I don't feel like cooking, probably just like y'all. So I am off today, but we have a frozen pizza that Jack bought us in the freezer in the visitor center. So I want to go ahead and cook that for dinner. Let me turn on another light. Let's see if that helps. So, frozen pizza. And I have some pepperonis in the refrigerator, so I'm going to add to it, and a little bit of cheese. So, Tuesday night is Cook With Me. If you're new here, I do a live cook show. Cook with me live. I can't do this live. And I've been meaning to do this forever. Had a request for it. Told them I was going to do it. Then I didn't do it. Salmon patties. And with that, I'm going to have baked beans. I have a can of baked beans. And the salmon patties from canned salmon. So I guess I need salmon. Baked beans. And I bought a salad. So Wednesday. Wednesday, I am gonna have chicken enchiladas. Use some of that frozen chicken that I have in the freezer, so it's chicken thighs. Enchilada sauce. Cheese. And I'm going to make some... I have some avocados, so I'm going to make some guac and Spanish rice. I have one of those Spanish rice packets. So, what do I need to take? Oh, I need tortillas. I've got tortillas, so. Tortillas. So, chicken. This helps me to remind me to take it out of the freezer. Thursday, we're going to have, I work on Thursday, leftovers of the chicken enchiladas. And then Friday, I'm off, so I'm going to make taco soup and I have everything to do that. Only thing I needed was some hamburger meat or ground beef, but I bought ground pork because it was a lot cheaper. So I'm gonna have taco soup. I've got all the beans and tomatoes and everything that goes in there. So, and the leftovers. This is a real easy week. Leftovers. So I'm gonna make a big pot. So that is my meal plan for this week. Pretty simple. The only thing I need to pull out of the freezer is the chicken thighs. Well, it's already cooked. So I just need to pull out a package of chicken, and I don't have the recipe right now, but I have it on my channel. So taco soup. I think I actually did a cook with me taco soup. But anyway, that is this week's meal plan. Yeah, so put down below in the comments what y'all are eating this week. Do you meal plan? Do you not? Do you just wing it? Let me know in the comments below. And I will see y'all in the next video.